Hi everyone, this is Murphy from INEO. Today I'm gonna share a common issue of the freezer. A serious frost happened in a freezer. Why? According to our experience, there are 5 reasons. First, the fans of evaporator cannot rotate it. They already found. I'm not sample. Okay, take this off. This is the evaporator fans. Second, the heater inside this evaporator is broken. Third, the heater inside this water burst is broken. Fourth, the automatic defrosting cycle is longer. As we know, the setting from factory is 4 hours per time. For this one, we can set it to 3 hours per time. Fifth, the food you put inside has a lot of water vapor. Hope this video can help you. If you want to know more about how to fix the freezer, hit the like and subscribe the button now.